in reality, pain and suffering is usually 2, 3, or even 4 times the amount of medical bills, if not more, depending on the injury.
What can an attorney do to increase the personal injury settlement offer that I cannot do?
As personal injury attorneys, what we can do is we can make sure that you're getting fair value for all of your damages. That goes for each of the categories that have been listed or that I've talked about. So your medical bills, the insurance company might want to offer a lower amount write-offs. They might argue that some of your medical bills aren't related. We can add value by making sure that they pay a fair number for that. Initially, when the insurance company makes an offer to you, they're not even going to make an offer for wage loss, even if you do have wage loss. So we make sure that we get your information about your wage loss, what you've been through, and convey that to the insurance company. And then finally, like I mentioned, the really big category and the way that we can add the most value to your claim is through um, describing and making sure the insurance company understands your pain and suffering. If you get an early settlement offer from the insurance company, what they're going to try to do is say that they'll take care of your medical bills, even though they might not know what all of your medical bills are, and they'll offer you $1,000 or $2,000 for your pain and suffering, and they'll sell that to you as, hey, they're doing you a huge favor. But in reality, pain and suffering is usually 2, 3, or even 4 times the amount of medical bills, if not more, depending on the injury. So one thing that we do as personal injury attorneys is we make sure to get you the most and the fair and reasonable value of your pain and suffering. One example I have from a case I handled recently is we had a client who came to us and he had tried to handle his case directly with the insurance company, and he had been doing it for almost 2 years. He had about $35,000 in medical bills, and the insurance company was offering about $40,000. And he came to us and he said, hey, I really don't want to hire an attorney. I think they're being fair, but I just thought maybe I should have somebody look at this and see if it's fair, right? And so we took the case, and it turns out that he had had a compression fracture in his low back. And within 6 weeks of this client hiring us, we settled his case for the $100,000 policy limit, which is to say that there was a significant higher value to his case and to his pain and suffering than what the insurance company was offering.